My name's Philip Young. I'm an educator with the Living Landscapes team here at the Eden Project in Cornwall. My main responsibilities are the maintenance of the outer estate. That's 197 acres. We use them across the site, mostly for long grass. They're handy to cut in before we do a finer cut with a mower, or we'll use it on areas of scrub, brambles, nettles, those kind of taller, more sturdier plants. I really like how easy they are to handle. They're light. The low vibration really is a dramatic change in using this type of machine. I like the fact that we can take some batteries out with us. If they run out, we can charge them again quickly. It's a flexible option too, to be able to change them to different tools. So I can take a brush cutter and a blower and then swap between them, charge, so I can do the job and then tidy up afterwards using the same set of batteries potentially. And if you know you're going to do this dedicated strimming operation and you need to do it for a length of time, the backpack is convenient and lightweight to take a lot of power with you. I like the fact that it shifts up a gear, not literally, but once you start hitting harder scrub, the machine recognises that and it raises the power to match the output that you need. There's not a job I don't think I can't do this with an electric Makita strimmer. It's just convenient. It is really, really convenient to use electric power and a sustainable option, which here at the Eden Project we really care about.